Hello everyone, welcome to today's tutorial. In this quick and easy lesson, I'm going to show you how to use Canva whiteboards, perfect for your work or educational needs. Canva whiteboards are a versatile tool that lets you brainstorm, organize ideas, manage team projects, or plan events visually. Whether you're creating a brainstorm board or a flowchart, Canva has everything you need. So let's get started. Now let me show you how you can create your own whiteboard in Canva. Once you sign into Canva, this is what your main dashboard looks like. There are a few ways to access the whiteboard option. You can find the whiteboard option on the main dashboard, or just type whiteboard in the search bar at the top. You can also click on the Create Design button and select whiteboards from there. Canva has a variety of whiteboard templates for different purposes. We have simple whiteboards that we can create for marketing team management. Then we have brainstorm whiteboards, team whiteboards, flowchart whiteboards, or planning whiteboards. Now it depends on you, whatever type of whiteboard you want to create on Canva. You will simply select the template and get started. For this tutorial, let's select a simple template to show you how it works. I'll go ahead and select this one. Now that we are inside Canva, this is what our whiteboard looks like. In the middle is your canvas where you can create your whiteboard. A cool thing is that unlike other Canva designs, Canva whiteboards offer unlimited space, which means you can keep expanding your whiteboard as much as you need. This feature is perfect for brainstorming sessions or complex planning because you're not limited by the size of your canvas. You can zoom in and zoom out using the slider at the bottom of the screen, or by holding the Control key and using the mouse scroll wheel to zoom in and zoom out. You can also scroll up and down with the mouse or the on-screen controls to navigate your board. At the bottom, you'll notice there's a timer. This is super useful if you're working on a task with a time limit. Just set the timer and it'll count down while you are working. You can use this for team meetings, brainstorming sessions, or even classwork. There's also a notes section where you can write down important points or to-do lists. Let's make our whiteboard a more interesting by adding elements. On the left, you'll find Elements tab where you can add things like sticky notes, shapes and lines, whiteboard graphics, a special collection just for whiteboards, photos, videos, audio, charts, and tables. Let's start by adding a sticky note. All you need to do is click on the sticky note you want and it'll appear on your whiteboard. You can resize it, move it around, and add more sticky notes by clicking the plus icon. This is super handy if you want to quickly organize ideas. And we can also customize the text that we have written on our notes. You can also add comments to your sticky notes. Just click on a sticky note and you'll see the option to add a comment or mention your team member. This is perfect for team discussions or when you want to leave notes for yourself. To add text, just go to the text section on the left where you can choose to add a heading, subheading, or body text. Let's add a simple heading here and call it Process. Place it wherever you want to on the board. Let's now add some arrows to connect ideas. Simply go to the Elements section again, select an arrow and place it on your whiteboard. You can use arrows to link thoughts, organize steps, or connect different ideas. You can resize and rotate them too. You can also add decorative elements like fun graphics from the Whiteboard Graphics collection. For example, if you have an idea you really like, you can add a thumbs up graphic to represent it. There are a lot of different graphics available to use for the whiteboard. Once you've done, you might want to share it with your team. To do that, click on the Share button at the top. From here, you can invite others by email and they'll be able to edit or view the whiteboard with you. Or you can create a collaboration link and share it with your team member. You can also download your whiteboard as PNG or PDF file. Just click on the download button, select your format and save it to your computer. And that's it. Canva whiteboards are super easy to use and a great tool for work, school, or personal projects. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.